So guys, I'm discuss one of the best topic from in the Google AdWords. So Google AdWords in the main campaign for YouTube campaign. YouTube campaign is a certain goals will be there. What is that goals? How it is using for the Google AdWords from YouTube channel purpose. First of all, we can open for the google.com/adwords. Now I'm clicking for sign in. So now I'm clicking option will be sign in here. So any campaign will be certain goals are there for a video campaign. In these goals, we have the certain periods are there. What are the types are in the video marketing campaigns? First, we can go with the goal and without goals. What is the goal without goal and with goal option? Go to campaign structure. These all will be goal: sale, lead generation, website traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, and app promotion. App promotion is not suitable by the YouTube. That is called video marketing. Why? Because sale, search, display, shopping, video, smart discovery, leads, search, display, shopping, video, and smart discovery. Search, display, shopping, video, and discovery. These all options will be this display and video, display and video. In this campaign, coming to the video campaign here. This campaign will be without goals. I'm not selecting any goal will be here. The goals are sales, lead generation. Video marketing support totally 5 options. Sale will be support, leads, website traffic, branding consideration, and brand promotions. In this video, we have totally custom video campaign, non-skippable, outstream, dive conversion, ad sequence, and shopping option. This will be completely will be helped by the skippable, in-stream ad, bumper ads, and video discover ad. A lot of people will be supporting here. To learn purpose, click for learn more option. So we can show to ads will be here. This all will be video ad formats. This all. So they show to customers. Skippable in-stream, non-skippable, video discover ad. When people will be searching keyword, they're showing for YouTube search results. Here, with goals, sale, video. They support only for drive conversion. Why? It is completely for sale purpose. Go for lead generation, video. This also will be drive conversions. So why? Because these all will be promoting through website. Drive conversion, that the only total will be promoting for website option here. This all will be. The show all will be in a particular things. So if we promote any particular category, sales and lead generation, they support only for drive conversion. Website traffic, video, same, drive conversion. Product and consideration, video, they're supporting for influence, consideration, ad sequence, and shopping. We can see the ad, how we can show to customers will be here. Skippable in stream, skippable in stream, skippable in stream, video discovery, skippable in stream, skippable in stream, non-skippable. These are all your options. No goal, brand awareness reach, and these all options. Leads, drive conversion, website traffic, drive conversion, product and brand conversion will be, influence conversion will be. This is called skippable in stream and video discovery. Skippable nothing but like this. This is a skip. This is called video discover ad. If any people asking for question, what is a video discover ad? Simple thing. When people searching for YouTube, training, in this, I'm searching Java training. In this type of ad, you can showing for video purpose. That all will be coming to the way video discover ads. Video discovery ads. So here, the goal of brand and product consideration. Brand awareness and reach. The supporting for total 4. Skippable in stream, bumper ad, non-skippable stream, and outstream and ad sequence. These are the particular categories. Only first 3, sale and lead generation and website traffic. This totally dependent by the only for drive conversion. Get more conversion with the video ads designed to encourage valuable interaction with your business. That mean by to generating for your website traffic purpose. Drive conversion time, compulsory account will be connected with your Google Analytics by your option by YouTube channel connected with your Google AdWords. Compulsory option will be mandatory field. So you want to selecting this drive conversion, simple we can show to the here these instructions how it is work site linkings. So if you want promoting sales or any kind of lead generation, anything will be only for drive conversion. That mean by YouTube we can drive it will be traffic will be in your website. So there is an option here. This is all your conversion purpose. The video user ad should be at least 10 seconds longer. So this is a condition we can follow and create this ads. Without goals, you can see without goals will be here. The showing all custom video campaign. This will be supporting for skippable, in-stream, bumper ad, video discovery, everything support. Non-skippable, out-stream, dive conversion, ad sequence, and shopping. Coming to this particular category, they only show by particular only one campaign structure. What are the drive conversion? What is the campaign will be there? Everything learned by the go to my channel, Mr. Rakesh. So what are the campaigns are there? You can go to here. In this every campaign, I'll discuss about the in this platform, YouTube tutorial 2020. This follow the every option to learn about the YouTube every campaign structure. This will be help. So clear? Google AdWords video campaign will be certain types with goal and without goals. The creative will be structure will be followed by the skippable, non-skippable, and 15-second ads, discovery ads, and we have to follow the instruction by the outstream ads, and every option will be there in a particular video marketing campaigns. So this is a follow instruction to create ad. For the more interaction, you know about the every in-depth ad purpose, go to our channel, or you can know about the my website architectsolution.com. Go to blogs. In the blogs, each and every campaign I explained by the video. We can follow instruction, everything. My video will be here and follow instruction and learn about the in-depth for the YouTube marketing using Google AdWords option.